Welcome. In front of me is a Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to shut off the device, so hold the power key and select power off. Now once the device shuts off, we'll hold power key and volume up. So power key, volume up. And you should see the boot mode right after that. So from here you'll use volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm. And using that, you want to select recovery mode. So once it's selected, press volume down. You will see the logo of the phone appear. And it will, at least for me, it takes a little bit to get to the no command Android. If you see the same thing, don't worry, it's not stuck, it just takes a little bit longer. Okay, so from here you can, or you will have to hold the power key and tap a volume up once to get past this, so like so. And you can see that we're now in the recovery mode. You can simply reboot the device from here, apply updates, wipe data, cache, and a couple of other things. And to scroll through it, you will use again a volume keys, but this time you can actually use volume down as well. So volume up and down, and whatever you select, you will confirm it with the power key. So as an example, I will just select reboot system now and confirm it with the power. And you will see that the device is now booting back up into the normal Android. Okay. And as you can see, we're now out of the recovery mode. So that is how you would enter this mode and leave it as well. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.